Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is ESP32 CAM Laser Light Security Alert with photo capture and send image to Telegram app. So here we are using Telegram app, motion alert. So theft to photos. Okay. So if anybody enter into the house, we will get the theft to photos on Telegram app. So here we are using 5 volts power supply, laser light, LDR sensor, ESP32 CAM AR Thinker module, OV2640 camera, and one green color LED and one red LED. Red LED it is connected with the 12, green LED it is connected with the 14, LDR sensor it is connected to the 13, and a laser light. If any intruder occur, it will send the data to CAM module, ESP32 module. Camera will capture the photo and it will send to Telegram app. Let us coming into the hardware module. So here we are using bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED, and ESP32 camera module, and here USB to UART module, and one red LED and one green LED. So LDR sensor, light dependent resistor, and laser diode. So ESP32S, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and OV2640 camera module. Pin connections, and here 13th pin it is connected to the LDR sensor, 12 and 14 it is connected with the red LED and green LED. That's it. Pin connection. Let us coming into the programming code. So here we need to give the user ID password of the Wi-Fi router, token, chart ID, and so LDR sensor it is connected with the 13, red LED, green LED, and if anything, if LDR sensor is low, then it will take the data, capture the photo, send to Telegram app. Okay, let's start with power supply. Okay, green LED is on. Okay, everything is perfect. So laser diode is sending the data to laser. Okay, laser diode is on. Okay, so if it is dark, red LED should be on. Red LED should be on, and it will send the data to our phone. Yeah, captured the photo, it sent. One person asked advanced security system using laser light diode, so I did this project. Again, red LED is on. We can give pepper spray and anything we can add in this project. Again, we will get another photo. So I will changed. Okay. Okay, now red LED is on, so we will get another output. Yeah, ESP32 camera, laser light, LDR sensor, green LED, red LED, and 5 volts power supply module. Okay, so I will give you this photo. Okay, red LED should be on. Yeah, ESP32 camera, I got the output. Yeah, thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.